Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to achieve this healthy twist out look using some of my absolute favorite products here, stay tuned.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So as you can see, I've already started parting my hair into medium-sized sections. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I start moisturizing each section. I'm going to just go ahead and move some of these twists out of the way. And once you find the part of your hair that you want to start twisting, go ahead and start detangling from the bottom to the top. At no point should you be detangling your hair so rough to where it starts hurting. So you want to go ahead and just be very gentle with your hair and almost like it's a baby. So just be gentle when you're detangling. Once I'm at a good place with detangling with my fingers, I'm going to go ahead and take that Mizani Coconut Souffle Moisturizer and work it down to my ends to the top of my head. And you want to be very gentle with the strands so that you won't snag anything. Once that moisturizer is sealed into my hair, I went on ahead and started two-strand twisting. At the bottom, give it a little twirl to seal in that curl. Once I get to the more dense part of my head, which is the upper part, I like to use more product and moisturizer to build on that curl pattern. Now that I'm halfway done with this twist out, I like to go ahead and establish that signature part. So wherever you want your style to lay or your twist to lay, you want to part it in that direction and start twisting in that same direction. Because I part my hair so much in the middle, I've kind of already established a permanent part. So it's okay for me to go ahead and use my finger to do that. I've already clipped one side of my head to the side, so I'm going to go ahead and work past that middle part direction and start twisting that side. Because I have very fine hair strands, I like to be as gentle as possible with my hair because it's very easy for those strands to snag or just fall out in general. So I like to be very careful with how I handle it. In order to protect the base of that middle part area, I went on ahead to the other side and started moisturizing that section towards the front of my hairline. With every other twist, I like to go ahead with my handy dandy spray bottle just to moisturize my hair as needed. And like I said before, as I get closer to the top of my hair, I like to go ahead and use as much moisturizer as possible, especially if I'm using thicker, wider parts. While I don't like to use my dimming brush that often because it tends to snag my hair a lot, I do like to use it on thicker, wider portions of my hair because this is where your curls really get to lock once that brush runs through it. And you can definitely tell that the curl definition improves once you take that twist out. So I like to use this brush whenever I feel like I want my curls to thicken up a little. I'm at the very last twist, which is everyone's absolute favorite part, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that dimming brush just to add some more curl definition and also build on product as needed. With every last few twists that I do, I like to use more product right before bed, and with the dimming brush, it just minimizes frizz and adds extra security. This twist out is complete. I'm loving the result. It's looking very moisturized, and I just got a trim. So I'm loving how it looks so far. So I'm confident that the twist out will look good. You can go ahead and pull it into a ponytail if you're running a quick errand, or just go to sleep with that ponytail. Here's a backside view of how this twist out looks in the ponytail. And whenever you are done, you can just go ahead and slap a bonnet right on top of your head and go to sleep until the next morning. Hey y'all, so this is the next day. I'm going to go ahead and start taking this twist out for y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and start unraveling each strand. As y'all can see, this side of my head is looking really healthy and full, so we'll keep going. Now y'all know I had to get a close-up look of this curl definition. This is what I meant by using that dimming brush sometimes, because it definitely gives that curl a nice texture. Now we're going to go to the other half of my head and take those twists down. The night before, as I was twisting, I didn't really care about how the parts looked in the back of my head, as you could tell. I really just parted whatever section of the head I felt. So as long as you get that curl definition you need, then parting shouldn't be that much of a big deal. We are almost there, y'all. I'm just locating those last minute curls in the back of my head and just unraveling those as well. Now that my twists are all taken out, I like to go ahead and give my head a little bit of a massage. So I like to use my fingertips to just go ahead and massage my scalp, and to also just separate some of those visible parts. And this also gives my hair a little bit more volume, which I love. Once you get to this stage of the twist out process, then you know you are almost done with your hair. So you want to just go ahead and play with your hair and form it to the best style you would like. Sometimes I like to have my bangs out in a side part, or just stick to that middle part style. And at this point, my twist out is complete. I'm probably going to do some more fluffing to get some more of that volume in it, but thanks so much for watching.